Good morning to all. Welcome to GPET online classes. Today we are going to discuss about in-process quality control tests for tablets or processing problems in tablet productions. The defects which are observed during the manufacturing of tablets are generally visual defects. The defects which are encountered during the production of tablets are capping, lamination, picking, sticking, mottling, double impression, poor flow, punch variation, hardness variation, and weight variation. Now we will discuss in detail one by one. First one is capping. Capping is the partial or complete horizontal separation of top or bottom crowns of tablet from its main body. Reason for capping is entrapment of air particles in the granules during the compression. What are the causes for capping? The causes are insufficient use of binder during the tablet formulation, presence of high quantity of fines during granulation, insufficiently used dried granules, usage of punches which are either deeply convex or having beveled edge face, and improper adjustment of wipe of blade, and also insufficient usage of lubricant during the tablet formulation, dyes which are poorly finished. So these problems are overcome by use dry binding agents like acacia, hydrophilic silica, powdered form of sorbitol, and PVP. Granules should be moistened by hygroscopic substances like methyl cellulose, polyethylene glycol 4000. Remove the fines by passing it through 100 to 200 mesh screen, and also use the flat punches. Adjust the wipe of blade to facilitate proper tablet ejection. Dry the granules thoroughly and use properly finished and tapped dies. Second one is lamination. Lamination is the horizontal separation of tablet into two or more layers. Reason for lamination is entrapment of air during the compression of granules and subsequent release of tablet during ejection. The causes are usage of oily materials or waxy materials in the tablet granules, excess usage of hydrophilic lubricants like magnesium stearate, and rapid decompression and high speed of the turret. These are overcome by incorporating sufficient amounts of adsorbents or absorbents in the granules, use appropriate hydrophobic lubricating agents, avoid rapid decompression by initially performing pre-compression. Picking. Picking is the adherence and removal of tablet surface material by the punches. Reason for picking is the presence of engraving or embossing letters on punch tips. The causes are excess usage of binders, excess moisture content in the granules, low melting point materials used in the formulation of the tablets. These problems are overcome by use less amount of binders or use dry binders. Granules should be dried properly. Use high melting point substances. Use high melting point substances. Sticking or filming. Sticking is the adherence material to the die wall. Reason for sticking is due to the inadequate drying of the granules. Due to the inadequate drying of the granules, we have to see sticking during the production of the tablets. The causes are excess use of binders, insufficiently dried granules, usage of hygroscopic granular material in the tablet formulation, and insufficient application of the pressure on the tablets. How to overcome these problems? These are overcome by using appropriate binding agent in the formulation, dry the granules thoroughly, and compress the granules under the conditions of humidity. So these are the four tablet defects which occur during the production of the tablets. The remaining tablet defects we will discuss in next class. Thank you. Thank you very much.